Ignore any writing advice you've heard previously. Chances are it's fucking terrible.
So, what's guided author? Guided author is for people who need help getting their book done. Maybe you need guidance and accountability, or maybe you need a writing plan or help with publishing. Our goal is to give you everything you need to confidently write, publish, and market your book.
You're gonna leave here with your book 50% done. I want you to expect this to be hard. If this was easy, your book would already be done. No one cares about your story. What they care about is how your book's gonna help them. Book positioning, book objectives, book audience, book idea, book titles. Now we're gonna start on the outline. Writing your book, editing your book. Let's talk about publishing, market your book. If you don't worry about being a writer and you just help people, your voice will take care of itself.
The workshop was amazing. It was so far beyond what I expected.
What's exciting is I see an end to it. I see that it can be done and will be done.
This is Mark Colley's book. He was in July Guided Author Group. And he just, I want to show you the paperback version of my book due in April. There's an end in sight. Team here is amazing. Every author faces fear. I'm a big fancy author. I'm afraid all the time. The problem comes when you let fear take over.
When you're beating yourself up, say, no, I don't deserve this. I deserve kindness, and I'm going to be kind to myself. And then you're going to find the book just pours out of you. Come on.
Brita, when she finished, I did it, I fucking did it. I'm done with all the chapters of my book.
I think this is my book. I'm so excited. Thank you, Tucker.
This is a group of people that really care. Right? They want to help you write a great book because they see the impact that you can have.
If you write a bad book, it will hurt you. You need to know if your book is bad or what parts are bad. We're gonna tell you.